Good morning, my beautiful people. It's me, your sister. I want to tell you how I take care of my home with my kids. Firstly, in the morning when I woke up, I'll sweep the home. After sweeping, me and my grown baby boy, we are going to wash the plate. After washing the plate, I'll be washing clothes. After washing the clothes, I'll be using one hand to cook. So after doing all those things, I'll bathe for them. After bathing, my little baby is the last person to bathe. So please subscribe to my channel, share to your friends and your family, to everyone you know you can share to. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Stop crying, eh? Big boy. Big boy. Let me drag it down now. Yeah, wait. Where your cap? Baby, daddy. This is my baby boy, my 7-month boy. Say hi. 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 Hello everyone. Hi. Hi. Say